side, it's got a smaller grain. It's very aesthetically pleasing. I like how minimal it is. I was like, it's coming out.
Yeah.
Oh my, whoa, what the hell?
Your feet are one of the most important and sensitive parts of the body. If you have any skin problems on your feet, you may feel uncomfortable all day. TOOLA has been developed and designed to rejuvenate your feet so that you can enjoy your day without being distracted. The surface of the TOOLA glass is made through TOOLA's patented glass etching technology. When you use it, the hypoallergenic nano-cutting method eliminates skin damage and cleanses the dead skin cells on your feet. It's very simple and easy to use TOOLA. If you take a look at it, you can see the exfoliating surface of the TOOLA glass is divided into two sections. Use the Step 1 section to first remove the hard dead skin cells. Then, use the Step 2 section for exfoliating the fine dead skin cells that are all over the outer layer of the skin. Do you see the difference? The skin surface became clean and smooth just by going through these two steps. You don't have to soften your dead skin cells by soaking your feet to use TOOLA. Even when you only use it on dry feet, it will exfoliate delicately without damaging your skin. Also, you just need to rinse it off with water to use TOOLA hygienically. TOOLA has been designed for you to use easily in daily life. Compared to other existing products, it has been created with differentiated performance and an aesthetically pleasing design. We need your support and donation to take TOOLA to the next level.